Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store design. First, selecting the right theme is crucial. It sets the foundation for your brand's online presence. You'll want to customize its colors, fonts, and layout to create a unique and memorable look. Remember, your homepage is often the first impression, so optimize it with compelling visuals and clear calls to action. This initial setup is vital for attracting and engaging your potential customers from the very beginning. Next, focus on optimizing the user experience. Your store must be fully responsive, ensuring it looks and functions perfectly on every device, from desktops to smartphones. Implement intuitive navigation, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they are looking for within just a few clicks. Furthermore, prioritize fast page loading times. Studies show that even a 1-second delay can drastically increase bounce rates, so aim for quick, seamless browsing. Effective product presentation is key to driving sales. Always use high-quality product images and consider adding videos to showcase items from various angles, giving customers a comprehensive view. Your product descriptions should be clear, concise, and focus on the benefits to the customer, not just features. Organize your inventory into logical collections. This helps shoppers navigate your offerings effortlessly and discover new items, enhancing their overall shopping journey. Finally, let's talk about boosting conversions. Building trust is paramount, so prominently display customer reviews and testimonials. They act as powerful social proof. Ensure every product and collection page has a clear, compelling call to action, guiding customers toward purchase. Offer a variety of secure payment options, and be completely transparent about shipping costs and delivery times. These elements collectively reassure shoppers, making them more likely to complete their purchase with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.